Hi everyone, I'm Vincent Hulu, and for those of you who first time watch my video, welcome to the family. On this video, I'm speaking in English, and for my Indonesian speaking friends, subtitle below are provided to you. Since you guys decided to watch this video, I believe all of you will know exactly what was happening. Hurricane Dorian is back. So in this video, I would like to show you how those affected places look like right after the hurricane. The first place I've been visited was in Miami, Florida. This is one of the affected areas. Well, that's what I heard. I don't know exactly, but let's check it out. So right now I'm in Miami, and I'm still look around which place that we have to hunting for, after Hurricane Dorian. Hi guys, so right now I'm with Desiree. Here we go. Yeah, and I'm going to ask her a few questions about hurricane last time, Hurricane Dorian.
We didn't get affected by it, unfortunately. Well, it was good because I lived through Hurricane Andrew and that was really scary. So we were lucky.
Here we go.
Got it. What?
Sure?
I have to look at the camera.
No, I'm kidding. Indonesia. Thank you so much.
Welcome. You already on the left. You make him laugh a lot.
Really? Who's that?
Your friend.
Here we go.
Subscribe.
There we go. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Miss
Chanel.
Chanel. Nice to meet you, Chanel. And Luna. You're so beautiful. You girls are so beautiful.
Taxi.
Why taxi?
Your name is Taxi.
Oh, my name is Taxi. Taxi driver. Luna, thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is how is Miami downtown look like after Hurricane Dorian. So Florida was fine. I asked randomly to some of the people I met, but everybody was saying Miami wasn't affected. So let's move to another place then. Bahamas, Nassau. Here we go. This is my second day, and right now I'm in Bahamas. I'm in Nassau right now, and as you can see here, this is a city, and that is fine. Everything's fine here. Look at around me. Even though Nassau is also part of the Bahamas, Nassau was fine, just a little bit rainy and the wind was fast by here. However, the most affected place during the hurricane this year is Freeport. Hurricane Dorian has transitioned into a post-tropical cyclone and maximum sustained winds nearby 145 mph. That means 225 km/h. Hurricane Dorian made landfall over the Freeport, Bahamas. Dorian spent several days over the Bahamas and caused significant damage here, destroying homes and infrastructure. I am personally extending my sympathy to all of the people affected, and especially for those citizens who are lost many things. I'm Vincent Hulu. Thanks for watching, and Yahoo!